Weeks have passed, no calls, no internet. And then I read somewhere that 9mobile rebranded to T2. And I just expected my network to come back. Did you expect same too? Few days after, I read somewhere again that T2 now uses MTN network through a 3-year blah 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 blah. Honestly, the instant I read it, it didn't make any sense to me. I just expected my network to come back. Then yesterday, it just popped in my head. 9mobile, T2, MTN, and I still don't have network. Something is definitely fundamentally wrong. Then I went back to Google and I searched how to get 9mobile network on your iPhone. I use an iPhone. I bet the difference on iPhone and Android isn't a lot. Just stay with me. Open settings on your phone, go to mobile services, click on the number you want to work on, then click on network selection. Network selection, turn off automatic. It's supposed to be automatic, but because T2 is currently using MTN mobile, you need to turn off automatic so that you can get all of these options. Then you either pick MTN or pick 62130, which means MTN Nigeria. All of these other numbers you're seeing here are for MTN, but 30 represents MTN Nigeria. I made this video because when I posted on my WhatsApp status that I now have 9mobile network, a couple of people on my contact list asked how I did it, and then I thought many people are still experiencing this, so why not let me teach everybody? So guys, if you found this video helpful, feel free to share my videos to anybody that would need it. Or probably if you have been calling someone who uses a 9mobile network and it's been saying unavailable, trust me, the person does not have network. So send this video to them on other platforms right away. If you're an Android user and this step isn't working for you, simply comment and let me know. I might just be getting an Android because of you. Ciao, ciao.